What's the meaning of copy? Copy. Copy.
Copy. Copy. The term copy refers to the act of making a duplicate or reproduction of something. This can be done through a variety of means, such as scanning, photocopying, or digital replication. The resulting copy should be as identical as possible to the original, with no significant alterations or changes. Copies are commonly used in situations where multiple individuals or groups require access to the same information, document, or image. They can help to ensure that important materials are readily available and easily distributed, without compromising the integrity or accuracy of the original content.